In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can have the pieces of information in your data label show up on a new line, which is very helpful if you want your data to look less cluttered or if you want to format it in a specific way. So here you can see I have a graph with the number of banks failed since 2015 and the years on top and the number is on the bottom. To show you how to do this, I'm going to delete the data labels and go to Insert. From here, click on Data Labels. Now, I want to have another piece of information, which is the year. So I'm going to click on this arrow right here, then click on More Options. And then from here, I want to have the category name. As you can see, the default is to have a comma separating the two pieces of information, which is not necessarily what you want based on what you're working on. You might have a grouped column chart, which can make this sort of format very, very busy. To have your data label show up on a new line instead, you can adjust the separator of the data label. So right now the default is a comma, but you can have it be a semicolon, you can have it be a period, you can have it be a space, or better yet, you can have it be a new line, which as you can see, now the year is on top and then the number of banks failed is on the bottom. That said, I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.